Hi, let's draw a crocodile. Circle your hand with a pencil. Great, you're doing. Let's draw the eyes. The teeth. And now we'll paint the crocodile green. How wonderful! You're doing well. What a beautiful crocodile it turned out to be. BittyBrush. Hi, let's draw a cute giraffe. Circle your hand. Great. Eyes. Mouth and tongue. Ears, horns, spots. Let's paint the giraffe yellow. You're doing great. What a beautiful giraffe! The horns are brown. Let's paint the spots brown. Orange eyes. The tongue is red. Subscribe to the BittyBrush channel. Bye bye. BittyBrush. Hi, let's draw a dinosaur. Circle your hand. Fine. Eyes. Wow, they're moving. Mouth and teeth. Round spots. Dinosaur spikes. Let's paint the dinosaur green. The spots are dark green. And the spikes are green. What a beautiful and cute dinosaur we got! Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel. See you soon. BittyBrush. Hi, today we will draw a dog. Circle your hand. Wonderful. Hi, let's draw the nose. You did well. And now let's paint the dog yellow. You're doing well. cute dog we got. Subscribe to the BittyBrush channel.